Welcome to the HoloWare Tech Podcast. This is Nazia, your host for today, and we are embarking on a journey through the evolution of desktop computing, exploring how things have changed from the earliest days of personal computers to the cutting edge systems of today. Let's kick things off by going back to where it all began. In the early days of personal computing, the concept of memory was relatively simple. Computers were basic, and their memory needs were far less demanding than today's advanced systems. Back then, a machine with 16 KB of RAM was considered groundbreaking. Can you imagine? That's less than the size of a small image file we send today, but it was enough to get the job done. As technology advanced, so did the demands on computer memory. In the 1980s, systems with 1 MB of RAM marked a significant leap, and by the 1990s, computers shipped with 4 MB or 8 MB of RAM to support more powerful software and graphical user interfaces like Windows. However, as software and internet connectivity evolved, even 8 MB became insufficient. In the 2000s, the race for more memory intensified. DDR-RAM emerged as a game changer, with DDR2, DDR3, and DDR4 offering faster speeds and larger capacities. By the 2010s, high-end systems featured 16 GB or 32 GB of RAM. As multitasking, gaming, and media experiences grew, memory demand surged, pushing innovations like DDR5. The development of processors also played a key role. Early processors had modest memory demands, but with the rise of multi-core processors in the 2000s, the need for faster, more efficient memory grew. Technologies like Intel's hyper-threading and AMD's Ryzen improved how processors and memory worked together to enhance performance. At HoloWare, we have embraced every shift in technology, always pushing the limits of what's possible. Our HoloWare Office Master series, for instance, features DDR4 memory options ranging from 16 GB to 64 GB, empowering business professionals to tackle even the most demanding tasks. For those seeking power and versatility, our HoloWare Powerline series is equipped with the latest Intel Core i7 and i9 processors, designed to excel in both high-performance gaming and demanding professional applications. The HoloWare Evo X takes things even further with DDR5 memory and advanced processors. Perfect for gamers, video editors, and anyone requiring top-tier performance. As memory technology continues to evolve, we are already integrating innovations that will elevate your experience. The 2010s marked a key turning point in desktop computing. With a strong shift towards power efficiency and portability, while desktop grew more powerful, laptops quickly caught up, and hybrid systems like Ultrabooks and all-in-one PCs emerged, blending desktop power with mobile efficiency. It was no longer just about raw power, but finding the right balance. Powerful processing, large memory, and energy efficiency all in one package. Today, this evolution continues. Systems now feature faster memory speeds, larger storage capacities, and specialized memory solutions like DDR5. AI and machine learning have also influenced memory development, leading to architectures designed to handle these demanding workloads. As we enter the era of quantum computing, memory technology will continue to evolve in ways we can only imagine. So, as you can see, desktop computing has evolved from the humble 16 KB of RAM to the powerful high-speed memory systems we rely on today. Every step has been driven by innovation, demand for speed, and the ever-changing needs of users. At HoloVac, we have been at the forefront of this transformation, continuously pushing the boundaries of what's possible in desktop computing. Visit holoware.co or email us at marketing@holoware.co for more assistance. Thanks for tuning in to the HoloWare Tech Podcast. Stay connected for more insights into the tech trends shaping our world. Until next time, this is Nazia signing off. Stay curious, keep innovating, and take care.